I'm going to be discussing how to start your YouTube journey with a low budget. That is the key word, with a low budget. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I love you for all you do. Today we're going to be talking, as you know from the topic, how to start your YouTube journey in 2020. If you're interested in this, watch till the end. The first thing you have to do is you have to know what you want to do, and you have to have a passion for doing this thing. Why are you going to start YouTube? For what reason are you starting YouTube? Are you out there to showcase something? Are you out there to show your talent? Are you out there to show how skilled you are? You must be able to give something and to be self-motivated and having a passion for doing YouTube, to be relevant and to stick to YouTube even when you have no views or you have less than 1 view on your videos. Okay, so rule number 1, how do you start a YouTube channel? Start right away, like right after this video. Go start your channel. Now, you don't need the high and mighty videos and cameras. I'm sure you've watched loads of videos on YouTube telling you to go buy Canon M3, Canon, name them, Sony, Canon G7. I've heard lots of them. None of those cameras cost less than £300 new. Even when you go for the refurbished one, you should have at least £200, and you can convert that in dollars or to naira or whatever part of the world you are watching from to know just how expensive those cameras are. So to me, that is a no-no. Do you know the best way to start a YouTube channel? With a phone. You can start with your Android phone. You can start with any Android phone. Okay, any Android phone will do. Good enough if you can afford an iPhone, fantabulous. If you have an Android phone, beautiful. If you have a Samsung phone, beautiful. Any Android phone is beautiful. Most of this phone have very beautiful resolutions, which is the entry point in YouTube, which is about 720. Just go to the settings of your camera and change the resolution. You can have as much as 2440, which is a full HD, or the minimum of 1920 x 1080, which is an ultra high definition video, which is the minimum for YouTube. The minimum for YouTube is just about 720. So if you have a phone that captures at 1080 or 1920 x 180, then you are good to go. Most YouTube videos are found about starting a YouTube journey. They're going to be telling you to go buy the Canon GX, Canon 7 Plus, Sony. Those cameras are fine, good, gives you good autofocus and all that, but with your Android phone you can also achieve that. And I film with my Samsung S10 Plus is what I film with. 2 is you should have a niche. It may sound cliche, everybody's saying you have a niche, but I'll tell you why it is important to have a niche. When I started YouTube, I was doing a lot of videos, and then I also had the idea about doing things concerning nursing, and because of my story coming to the UK and being a nurse in the UK, and then I decided to do that, and voila, I got the target population which I needed to share my videos with, and from there I began to have subscribers. So have a niche. Are you targeting women, married women? Are you targeting mothers with children? Are you a working class mother? Are you a working class man? Are you an engineer? Whatever it is that you have passion for, you should have a niche and know what to discuss and have a target audience, so you can target your stories to such people, and you'll be surprised when you get that audience that you need on your videos. Your subscriber count will increase, your views will increase, and you begin to have your foot and begin to grow on YouTube. Another thing you need to do is to post consistently. If you can post every day on YouTube, I'll give it thumbs up. Do it. One thing I notice when posting on YouTube is whenever I post more consistent videos, YouTube suggests my video more, and each time I lay back, I started YouTube and started posting videos weekly. I was growing, but when I discovered what part of topics were giving me more views, and was holding myself back from posting these videos. I noticed that the next time I posted these videos, I didn't have as much views as I had when I posted them back to back. So I think it's just like going to work every day and watering your plants. Water your YouTube every day if you can. If you want to do it through live streams, discuss topics, whatever it is, just be up and about on YouTube. Show up for work every day on YouTube. I know it can sound crazy. I'm a working mom, but still I try my best to post as much as I can, as far as you're posting relevant, useful topics that people are out there looking for. Another thing is that you should post things that are searchable on YouTube, EO and YouTube search algorithm and what have you. Just know how the YouTube program works, how the SEO works, how people search for things on YouTube. And you didn't know that YouTube is like the highest search engine. I didn't realize this. People actually use YouTube to look for things and to search things. So know how the YouTube programs work. Do your topics in a way that it reflects how people search for things, like asking questions, how to do this, where to travel, things like that. So know how to coin your topics, know how to do topics that are searchable and that will give you good ranking on the YouTube algorithm. Another point is that you should use optimization apps like TubeBuddy, like vidIQ. These extensions help you to see how well you're doing on YouTube. They give you suggestions, they use suggested videos, they help you to tag your videos. A good point is for you to tag your videos with good quality ranking tags, such that YouTube is able to suggest your videos, and once YouTube is able to suggest your videos, then the sky is your starting point. Do videos that are searchable. How do you do this? Go onto Google, type in a word or a keyword and see what it generates. Those are the things that people are looking out for on YouTube or on Google at present, and if it's relevant to what you talk about, discuss about them and use that to bring traffic to your channel. Discuss hot topics. If there's any trending video, discuss them. Key into that trending video and get views for yourself. That is another way to grow on YouTube, and by the time people begin to see you, people will fall in love with you, and then they subscribe to your channel. There's in quality editing. There are many various apps that you can use to edit your videos. You have the Video Show, you have the KineMaster. On your laptop, if you use the Mac, you can use the iPhone editing app, or the ones on the HP laptops. Just edit your apps, or Filmora. And for music that's found on YouTube, you can get them on Epidemic Sound. YouTube also has some non-copyrighted music that you can actually tap into to make your videos smooth and beautiful. I discovered that most of the things that we need are on YouTube Studio, but you just have to go find a way and study how it works. But for me, I use the KineMaster because it's very easy for me and it's very handy on my phone, so I just edit my videos on the go. I don't have to be at home my laptop to edit my videos, so it works for me since I can work at any point in time from anywhere. You need a flexible tripod. A tripod is going to be a lifesaver for you. This is a flexible tripod that you can actually bend and attach to the side of your bed, anywhere it is. Helps you even if you want to vlog, you go like that, you know. Okay, and it has an attachment for your phone, but if you're using a camera, it has that inch screw that you can actually attach your camera upon. You need a tripod. This will save your life. Now this tripod has attachments built in for your phone, so you're going to attach your phone as this. All right, just as so. And these tripods are flexible and it has extensions, and it can be, you just have to see, that's very long. Okay, all right, using this as a demo for you to see just what you can do with your tripod. And I would advise when filming to film with the back of your phone, because on Android phones the back cameras have higher resolution and better video quality. However, if you have phones like the Samsung or the iPhones, you can actually check the settings of your phone and discover how high the resolution of the front or the back camera is, The resolution on my front camera is as good as the resolution on my back camera, if not better. So I usually film watching myself, but then I ensure I am looking into the lens of the camera in the front. So if you're using your front back camera, you should be looking directly in here, and if you're facing the camera to yourself in the front, you should be looking at that is the camera. That way you're looking at your viewers at the center of your camera, and you're not looking like, if I'm looking that way, looking at myself or my camera present. That's not what you want. You want to maintain eye contact like you're discussing with people, and have people to relate with you on your video. Do not play your phone like this when you film. You can also film with a selfie stick. With a selfie stick, you're just gonna attach your phone, and you know your selfie stick goes like that, and then you do your filming, making sure you're looking at the camera and not just the screen or watching yourself while you video. Always place your phone that way to give you a resolution of 16:9, which is the resolution for YouTube videos. Okay, when you do this, you are doing that is about 4 times 12, I think, which is for Facebook or Instagram videos. But when you do this to your phone, you put your phone to the resolution that is required for YouTube videos, and you don't have those black annoying marks on your videos when you post them up on YouTube. You need a ring light. In Europe, where winter comes and everywhere is dark, get some form of light that's going to help you make videos. Okay, I got this light off eBay. If you look into my eyes, you're going to see reflections of my ring light. I may not have all the time in the day, even when there is natural light. If you are in Africa where we have a lot of sunlight, the natural light is superb. Just stay close to your window and do your video, and you have a good light source to your video that's beautiful. The Android phones have good speakers. However, you may just want to up your audio in your videos by getting speakers that can go into the audio jack of your phones, and then you just put them into the audio jack and you speak away. You also have lenses that can be attached to your phones. I've already invested in them already, but I've not filmed with them. I'm expecting them to arrive from eBay. It's taking a lot of time because of the holidays, but you have those lenses that you can attach to the back of your phone, and then it gives you as much quality as those cameras. Like, oh my god, if you do this, you take your video camera into the next level. You've gotten what you need for your YouTube channel, which is your tripod, your phone, your microphone, your ring light. What else are you waiting for? Just for you to roll out your ideas and film on your camera, and then you go on to edit your video and post your first video on YouTube. And trust me, you may start with no views, you may start up with no likes. Don't worry, keep at it, keep doing what you're doing. Promote your videos on platforms. Promote your videos with friends and family. Promote your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and any other platform you're active on, Instagram and the likes of that. Promote your videos on those platforms, and trust me, before you know it, your videos begin to grow. Focus on making quality videos such that your next video is better than your last. Good content. Put your videos on YouTube, open a Facebook page, and I wouldn't advise to start advertising your videos. If you have money, fine, but then focus on building your niche, focus on growing your followership, focus on putting out content daily for YouTube to take you seriously and suggest your content to people. Focus on making videos with the right keyword and relatable. Focus on making videos that the YouTube algorithm is going to identify. Focus on answering people's problems and situations. Focus on making things that are relevant to people in the present time, and you will be surprised how quickly and how effectively you're going to grow quickly. Usually it lasts around 9 to 1 year to be fully established on YouTube. So with about 30 quid and your phone in hand, you can start your YouTube channel, and with good connectivity, you are all well and good. And you don't need to pay for music. Actually, go on YouTube, you get non-copyrighted music on YouTube Studio. Consistency is key. I have discovered this for myself. I have seen what consistency can do to your YouTube channel, to your growth, and to your subscriber count. With the new YouTube law that says you should have 1,000 subscribers, may look like a hop skill or even have 4,000 hours view hours. Well, it is doable. I'm still in that journey. I'm just encouraging you to start your own journey. Script your videos, have a good intro, like have a brand, create a brand for yourself, give yourself a name, give yourself a color, let the color go with your brand. Like in my videos, you already know what my brand color is. Give yourself a name, have a brand color, let it be consistent. Anytime you post, people know you're the one who's posting. It just shows that you know what you're doing and you mean business. There are various apps that can help you in your YouTube branding. You have the Canva app, you have the Adobe Spark. Okay, if you don't have time, do block videos, like do 2, 3, 4 videos at a time. Schedule your post. YouTube Studio has made it easy for you to schedule posts. So when you edit all these videos, just put them on YouTube and schedule them to be uploaded at different points in the week and at various times of the week. And I don't know what idea you're nursing in your heart that is about to blow. Don't keep it. You have your phone in hand. You can start your YouTube journey. Start now. And I'll see you on the other side of success. Thank you for watching. If you like this video or any part of this video, please do well to like, hit the subscribe button, and join the family. Say a word to a friend or a sister, share this video, subscribe and below, and do well to stay notified of any videos I post subsequently. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.